At Can Corporation of America, sustainability is embedded in the cans we make. To learn about the infinite recyclability of steel and the circularity of can manufacturing, let's take a journey through the life cycle of a steel can. Steel is widely used across industries. Remarkably, 75% of all steel ever produced remains in circulation due to its ability to be recycled over and over again without loss of quality. At CCA, we source our steel coils from the world's leading steel suppliers, who are dedicated to increasing the recycled content in our cans. This means that the steel cans in your pantry could have up to 30% recycled content in them. Our cans are made of only one material, metal. Unlike packaging types with multiple layers, our cans are designed for easy recycling. Our internal recycling program ensures any steel scrap from our production is sent back to our suppliers, closing the recycling loop. The cans are then filled with various products, including freshly harvested produce. By packing perishable produce in cans, companies save over 2 billion pounds of produce from spoilage each year. Because of their stackability and strength, cans need little tertiary packaging and do not need to be refrigerated. This reduces resource consumption and energy usage. Filled cans reach the end consumer and are arguably the easiest food packaging to recycle. Rinse and toss it into your recycle bin. At recycling facilities, our cans stand out because they are magnetic, making them easy to sort and valuable to recycle. Once sorted, cans are compressed and sent to steel suppliers to be reborn as high-value products, like automobiles or construction materials. So the next time you see a car or a steel beam, know that they just might have a bit of your recycled can in them.